The brief was to create a 6-bedroom house, creating a closely knit unit and at the same time making room for privacy and shared areas that would allow gathering of different sizes. My name is Architect Kapil Agarwal from Spaces Architects at the Red KA from New Delhi. Today I would be discussing about our project Screen House, which is made on a plot area of 2800 square feet located right here in Model Town locality of New Delhi. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF and book of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildofy.com. The link is mentioned in the description given below. The modern architecture style reflects the character and lifestyle of the client. Double heights and multiple skylights are created in the house, which allows natural daylight into the interior space and helps in creating visual connectivity between different levels. As we enter through the main gate into the stilt, which is at 2 levels, the front being used as a parking and the rear which descends into a lobby with a small office, washroom and an informal lounge with a swimming pool. A cantilevered staircase feature connects all the upper floors, which is presented as a stimulating space that allows variety of activities. An area for family social gathering has been developed in an integrated space with a central lobby. The front has a double height drawing room with a huge glazing allowing natural daylight into the interior. Drawing room connects with the upper floor lounge and the bedroom through the double height in front. Adjacent to the drawing room is the parents' bedroom with an attached washroom. At the rear we have a guest bedroom with a washroom design with a contrasting polished and rough stone with a minimal engraving pattern. The kitchen is placed on the right side of the room. The same set of superimposed metal staircase with a contrasting combination of wood and brass allows us to explore and understand the character of the house, leading to the next floor with skylight on the top, which allows natural daylight into the interiors. A comparatively smaller open kitchen and a dining has been created with a customized hanging light. The master bedroom is placed in the front with a washroom and 2 kids' rooms are placed at the rear. The second floor has an open floor plan consisting of a bar area and a huge portrait wallpaper. The rear part consists of a guest bedroom with the wooden panels complementing the green wall and the whole aesthetics of the room. The terrace consists of a spiral staircase that acts as an element and connects the lower level with the upper terrace, which consists of a gym and an open green space. The home consists of several bespoke objects and artworks, many of which are designed and customized by us for this project in particular. We search for a custom fit to the client's lifestyle, aspirations, and needs, which complements the contemporary feel of the house. The house designed with thought given to each detail, with treatment given to each space as per its usage, with the walls adorned neutral monolithic hues. The vibrant artwork and furniture adds an elegant dash of color. Classic marble floors paired with regal oak wood and brass, soothing shades of blues and grey lends a timeless charm to this residence. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.